Okay, for past 2 weeks we have been uploading the videos of most important English words. So far we have finished up to level 6. So I want to check my students, some of my students, their capability of that vocabulary, whether they are going through that or not. So for that I am putting this quiz as a part of the the occasion of Children's Day, which is no other day but tomorrow. So I'll check who is going to win this competition. There will be 25 questions for each candidate, and obviously we'll have who scores more will be the winner. And the thing is, like, if any person cannot answer a question, it goes on to passes to next person. So if any person can't answer, it will go to the next person, that will be the lucky person. Okay, so that you can get beyond 21 marks. 25 marks means this is not 25, but for each question it carries 2 marks. So 25 into 2, 50 marks maximum. If you get a pass mark, you will get extra 1 for each pass question. Okay, got it? For straight answer, you will get 2 marks. For pass answer, you will get 1 mark. Right? So we shall start with, so this is A from there, right? So A, Abhinay, B is Mohan Sai, C is Meherwan, and D is Shireen Banu. We shall start with the question, first question from A, okay, to Abhinay. So here goes the first question. Okay, the first question is D grade.
Lesson.
Very good. Laborious.
Demanding.
Serene.
Peaceful.
Impartial.
Unbiased.
This is multiple tasks. Next, archaic.
Very old.
Euphoria.
Extreme joy.
Appease.
Make less angry.
Abstain.
Hold back from doing.
Avert.
Prevent.
Mundane.
Routine.
Variance.
Qualified to being different.
Equitable.
Faith.
Egotist.
Bolster.
Pinnacle.
Summit.
Malleable.
Moldable.
Discriminate.
Differentiate.
Lethargic.
Weary.
Meteoric.
Very rapid.
Ambiguous.
Relating to feelings of others. Relating to feelings of others.
Ambiguous. That's wrong.
Having multiple meanings.
D, right? Pristine.
Spotless.
Cosmopolitan.
Sophisticated global.
Futile.
Pointless.
Reservation.
Sir?
Level 5 first question is there, right?
Preservation.
Reservation.
Doubt.
Reservation.
I said reservation, not reservation. Crystallize.
Become definite.
Sentimental.
Emotional.
Diligent or diligent.
Careful and hardworking.
Next one, robust.
Sturdy.
Next one, stipend.
Regular allowance.
Misconstrue.
Misinterpret.
Transitory.
Short lasting.
Impeccable.
Flawless. Sir.
Telling.
Significant.
Check.
Hold back from doing.
Next, enthrall.
Captivate.
Next one, crestfallen.
Disappoint.
Next one, amiable.
Friendly.
Next one, summit.
Highest point.
Next one, complimentary.
Matching.
Next one, belittle.
Put somebody down.
Next one, cohesive.
United.
Next one, irrefutable.
Certain.
Next one, elaborate.
Elaborate. Detail.
Next one, catalyst.
Cause of a process.
Next one, economical.
Avoiding waste.
Next one, advocate.
Support a cause.
Next one, anomaly.
Auditing.
Next one, constraint.
Limit.
Next one, impermeable.
Sealed.
Next one, embryonic.
Undeveloped.
Next one, resolve.
Determine.
Next one, autonomous.
Independent.
Next one, sensor.
Remove objectionable material.
Chauvinism.
Feeling of superiority.
Since how come you were more than her girl?
That only got. That only
I think
got.
that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
14. 14.
So the next
Now-
question not yet asked, right? Okay, okay. Then that's not a problem. Which I thought I have missed it somewhere like that.
Sir, then 14, sir.
What?
Hidden bonus.
No.
Let's go.
No, sir.
It should be 13. Now we didn't finish now. Now the round is with starting from you. Already over. We'll see it then. Okay. No, 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 not extra mark. I'm not doing. I thought I have missed
Pass.
it. Okay, okay. Next one. Analogous.
Similar. Sir, you count in where and another time you do.
So no, no, no. We finished in one turn, one shot. Next one. Mesmerize.
Hypnotize.
Next one. Uncompromised.
Without.
Okay. Next one. Qualify.
Restrict the statement.
Okay. Next one. Anachronism.
Bring into another time.
Very good. Next one. Jovial.
Merry.
Okay. Next one. Derive.
Originate in.
Okay. Next one. Lucid.
Easy to understand.
Okay. Next one. Apex.
Submit.
Next one. Vanish.
Get rid of.
Next one. Embellish.
Add details to.
Next one. Eradicate.
Destroy completely.
Next one. Discrete. Discrete.
Careful.
Next one. Exemplify.
Be a perfect example of.
Correct. Next one. Bolster. Bolster.
Support.
Next one. Adamant.
Unyielding.
Next one. Autocratic.
Tyrannical.
Next one. Exemplar.
Model.
Next one. Oblique.
Indirect.
Next one. Artful.
Clever and deceptive.
Next one. Commendable.
Worthy of praise.
Next one. Chivalrous.
Courteous.
Next one. Eccentric.
Peculiar.
Next one. Colossal.
Humongous.
Next one. Arbitrary.
Random.
Next one. Paradoxical. Paradoxical.
Contradictory but true.
Very good. Next one. Detrimental. Detrimental.
Causing harm.
Next one. Jargon.
Speaking to a particular group.
Next one. Prevail.
Prevail. Prevail.
Prevail.
Trump over.
Next one. Industrious.
Hardworking.
Next one. Champion.
Speak in favor of.
Next one. Deliberate. Deliberate.
Consider carefully.
Tell louder, okay? Next one. Indifference.
Apathy.
Next one. Err.
Make a mistake.
Next one. Candid.
Honest and straightforward.
Next one, tarnish.
Disgrace.
Next one, misattribute.
Misattribute. Misidentified.
Here you go. Next one, empathic.
Empathy. Relating to feelings of others.
Next one, extrapolate.
Estimate or conclude.
Next one, melancholy.
Sadness.
Next one, retract.
Take back a statement.
Next one, paragon.
The best of its kind.
Next one, audacity.
Boldness.
Next one,
That's what.
disheartened.
Losing confidence.
Next one, negligible.
Insignificant.
You should be pending. How come? How come everything finished?
One question is passed.
Of course, even if passed, we have stopped here means there should be 2 more questions, right? 25 into 4. There should be. Oh, 100 finished.
Six around.
29. Yeah, everything is circled. Okay. Delegate.
Assign.
Last one, unprecedented.
Never done before.
Okay. So we are done with
तो नहीं वाला है हम तो नहीं.
some of the questions. Okay.
Best of three.
So it's not like that. There is no best of 3 or something like that, right? So
मैं
let's
वन
see.
చేసిన తప్పు क्या
So what are the scores? Okay, see.
Okay.
Stop bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Obviously, all correct. So, Abhinay, everything is correct. 25 into 2, he got 50 marks. Give a clap. Okay. Next, in the same manner, Mons also, he was correct. Everything. So, 25 into 2. He also scored 50 marks. And obviously this guy one wrong answer, so he got 24 into 2, which is 48 marks. Okay, and finally this girl should get 51 marks. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 into 50 plus 1, that extra mark. So she got 51. Okay. So Kirin Paula had won. She got first, and second is Abhinay and Monsai, and obviously third is Mehran. It's not a problem. Almost you scored everything you have answered, right? So you have done a great job. Okay, keep it up. Thank you.